Sea level rise is the result of the increased volume of seawater as the ocean expands as it warms and the melting of land ice, such as the Arctic glaciers and mountain glaciers. The rise of sea level is not the same for every part of the ocean. It has several factors that lead into the increase in locations. One being location of the ice caps and land that ice is melting as temperatures increase. The rate at which the sea level rises differs in every part of the ocean. The United States region is one of the locations where the rise in sea level is high, partly because it's right below the Arctic ice caps. In the last century, the United States sea level has risen only about half an inch on the west coast, but there are some parts on the eastern coast and northeast coast. Sea level has risen as much as 2 inches. With many different studies showing many different things and rates at sea level rise, they have all in common one thing: it won't stop in the future. It is predicted to continuously rise in the surrounding United States region, which can lead to several problems of the communities in this region. With sea level rising, it causing more flooding in the coastal regions, and salt water begins invading freshwater streams and supplies. Experts have no conclusive studies on how to stop the sea level from rising in the United States regions.